Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Samsdventures. I hope you're all having an amazing day and thank you for clicking on my video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I decorated my bullet journal for the month of February. Basically, I just wrote down the word February and then highlighted it with a little bit of a lighter pink marker, and then I took a purple marker and wrote the word February kind of like in a handwritten font. And then I created a tiny monthly calendar where I would just write down the first letter of each day and then the corresponding dates below it. Then I just highlighted it pink. Valentine's Day is obviously the theme of February, and I kind of wanted to go with like a pink Valentine's Day theme without using too many hearts. So here I'm just drawing some roses because I think it still looks kind of like romantic, but it's not like overly in your face Valentine. So I'm just coloring these in with some light pink markers and then some green for the leaves. And then I just went over this with a black marker. Then I'm adding these same roses to the sides of my calendar because I think it makes them look really cute, and I basically did the exact same thing. There's no like certain way how to draw this rose. It's basically like some curved lines and then it turns into a rose, as you could see. So then I'm adding in a couple of hearts, like 3. And then I made some like string lights with hearts. I tried to recreate that and then colored them in. So then for the next page, basically what I wanted to do was create a monthly overview like I did in the previous page, but then like in a bigger size. I'm making 7 squares horizontally and then 5 vertically. And I should have totally used a ruler for this because they're not that straight. So then I'm just writing down all the letters again as well as the numbers. So then at the bottom I had a little bit of space left, so I decided to make a YouTube growth tracker. I just wrote down some numbers of subscribers that I hope to get this month. It would be super nice if I could actually reach that, but of course I don't mind it if it doesn't work. And then I just drew a camera because I thought it went with the YouTube team, and some hearts. And then on the other side I basically did the exact same thing but then for Instagram. Also, if you're not following me on Instagram yet, my username is SamsAdventuresX. So then I'm trying to create some string with some Polaroids on there. It was kind of hard. And then at the bottom I'm adding a little quote which says, "There is no elevator to success, you have to take the stairs." Because I think it's very motivational, and credits to the person who came up with this quote. Unfortunately, I don't know who, but... Then I went back to the previous page because I had skipped that one, and I'm just making this page for video IDs. So I just wrote down the word video IDs and then added some borders and wrote the word February again at the bottom. And then now I just added some roses as well. And I think this is a super handy page to use if you want to keep track of your video IDs. So then for this page I wanted to make an expense tracker, but not only did I want to make an expense tracker, I kind of wanted to have an overview of money I have saved. So whenever I've put an amount of money to my savings or put something in my real life money jar, I basically write down the number in a heart and then color it in, so at the end of the month I know exactly how much I saved. And then I just colored this for like some more pops of color. And then at the real expense tracker I just made like a table with the item amount and whether I needed it, yes or no. So then on the other side I made a habit tracker. I really wanted to drink more water so I can check the box per week, and I also want to reduce the use of mobile devices such as my phone or computer. So then I'm creating a weekly spread. Basically all I'm doing here is creating 7 little rectangles and then adding like a border on the top. And I'm adding 7 squares on the sides where I'm going to write down the date. And then at the bottom I just make some space for goals this week, some special things and special things next week. And next week is of course Valentine's Day. Super exciting. I'm totally single for Valentine's Day, but hey. So then I'm just adding some like more string lights because I think they look really cool. And I'm just coloring that in. And then for my very last page, I'm doing a month in review. And basically here I'm writing down things I've learned in the month, things I've done, and positive things. So I can close a month in a positive way and remember the positive and nice things that I did and learned this month. So that's already the end of this video. I really hope you guys like my monthly spread for February of my bullet journal. If you want to see more bullet journal videos, I would love to know that. You can always leave a comment, and always if you have a question, don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. And with that said, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye!